this video, I will show you on how to update all Google apps right here on your Android phone in a single click without any stress, such as Google, Gmail, Maps, Drive, Meet, Photo, Google Assistant, and Google by File Manager, as the case may be. Let me show you how. First thing first, go ahead and open up your Play Store. I'm going to simply click on here to open. My Play Store. Go ahead and click on your profile icon. Go ahead and click on App and Device. Go ahead and click on Update App. Then right here, you want to make sure you scroll down right here and you can see all Google apps right here. So for that, what you need to do is to simply tap Update, Update, Update. You can update as many as possible. Update, you can see Google Drive here now get a new icon. Go ahead and update to the latest version. Update, 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 update Google Meet with a new icon, Google Photo updates, and Google Define Up right here. It's that simple. All the updates is going to be lined up right here. For more useful tutorial about how best to use your Android phone, consider subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.